Welcome to this tutorial to learn more about the Field Labor Summary report in the Labor Pricing for Profit software version 6.0. The Field Labor Summary report gives you a snapshot look at some of the statistics, both dollars and hours, relating to your field labor employees. Again, remember that the field labor employees are those employees who are generating revenue for your company. These are the people that we need to make sure that they are billing all the time. And that non-billable time, remember, is the single greatest expense that you have in your company. We need to do whatever we can to minimize it as much as possible in all areas of your company. So let's take a look at this report. To access this report, we're simply going to make sure we're under the Reports menu of the left-hand toolbar. And then we'll click on the Field Labor Summary report, which is the fourth item down. When we click on this icon, the report will open up and display on our screen. Now, this report is a fairly simple report, but it has quite a bit of useful information in it. The default settings is going to show all of our employees, all of our field labor employees, that is. Our office staff themselves will not be shown here because they are not field labor employees. They're indirect labor. This report is going to focus just on our field labor employees, which are our revenue generators. Now, the default setting is going to show this report by department, so each employee is going to be listed within their own department, and it will show the hours that we have allocated to that particular employee. So as we look at our service department, we can see we've got 3 service technicians here. We can see, for example, Sam Mills is listed here with 429 total hours. We show a little bit of lost time for him, some sick, vacation, holiday time, throughout all the way across the columns on this report. Now, Samuel, you'll notice, is also listed here in the installation department. That simply means that he is allocated to more than one department of our company. And then on the very last section of this report, we'll show all employees for all departments combined together. Now, again, the default on this report is showing it, by department and for hours. So in this particular case, when we look under all departments, we have a total of 2,652 lost hours. That doesn't account sick time, vacation time, or holiday time. That's just time when they've shown up for work that we couldn't bill somebody for. Now, we can sort this report also by employee, which now means it's going to show each employee and show you if they have multiple departments. Each department will then be listed under that employee themselves. The really interesting one is when we look at this report by dollars by department. Now we can start to see what that non-billable time is costing us in terms of wages. And if we look at this report, we can see very quickly that we are paying out $50,538 for a relatively small company here in lost time. Remember, that doesn't include holiday, vacation, and sick time. When we add those to it, we're now paying out a total of $66,312 in wages that we can't bill somebody for. Over on the right-hand side of the same screen, for every one of the sort options, we have our billable time. So we can see our total wages that we're paying out for regular time, overtime, and total billable dollars. This concludes the tutorial on the Field Labor Summary report for the Labor Pricing for Profit software. I encourage you to take a look at the other tutorials that are available to learn a little bit more about what they can do and what information you can get from them from this software. Thank you.